Jumbo, everybody. Welcome to Tapestry of Africa Tours and Safaris. I'm Matt Jensen, your online safari guide. Thank you for joining us and subscribing to our YouTube video. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that button. You don't want to miss the unbelievable sights and sounds that we bring you from the savannas of Africa. Plus, we're here to give you all kinds of tips and tricks with what to consider and what to plan for when it comes to your safari to Africa. The biggest, perhaps one of the most important aspects of planning your safari is what kind of lodgings that you want to have when you're on your safari. As mentioned in previous videos, there's 4 general divisions or categories of lodgings and experiences when you come on your safari. Luxury plus, luxury, mid-level, and budget or basic. Check out my other video where we go into depth on the amenities and inclusions with a luxury plus safari, but the majority of safari goers usually opt for luxury or mid-level. One of these 2 options is usually in most people's budget. So we're going to talk about some luxury options, and as I explain the amenities, we'll give you some examples on screen of some of the different amenities, features, and qualities that come with luxury level accommodations. Now, luxury level accommodations and lodges usually are for those people who don't like any idea of roughing it, but they still want an authentic African feeling experience when they're in their lodges and camps. This is where luxury comes into. You get the best when it comes to the quality, the comfort, the decor, the beauty, and the integration of the savannas, the parks, the reserves, all around you within these luxury lodges. Oftentimes, these come with infinity pools, beautiful sightseeing areas of the lodge where you can sit down for a sundowner after your afternoon game drive and enjoy the beauty of the savanna that you've just been driving on. Top-notch cuisine and food choices at the restaurants. Make sure you ask your safari operator to get definitive answers on what's included when it comes to the full board and the drinks. But the beauty of the surroundings in a luxury lodge are hard to beat unless you go ultra into that luxury plus accommodation. You may have other activities offered in your luxury lodges. They may offer a walking safari. They may offer a nighttime safari. But nonetheless, the focus of a luxury safari is to have a comfortable accommodation, high quality linens, mattress, ensuite bathroom, hot water without waiting, and of course food, and of course the surroundings. You feel like you're engulfed and completely immersed in the beautiful savanna surroundings around you with all the comforts and all of the pampering that you want. So if you're willing to spend a little extra, and it might be a one-time visit when you come to Africa, you might want to consider getting a luxury accommodation. Common examples of luxury accommodations is the Ashneel family of lodges and the Serena camps and lodges. There's many others, and I don't ever offer particular endorsements, but these are common examples of lodges and camps in the luxury category. Either way, whichever way you decide to go, you will have an amazing experience watching the beautiful wildlife when you come to Africa. And if you choose luxury, you're going to have an extra special, comfortable, and luxurious experience.